Every gym goer has this question. Do I really need protein powder? Or can I build muscle with just diet? As a doctor, let me bust the myths and give you a clear guide to gym nutrition that actually works. When you exercise, you're not actually building muscle. You're creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's the right food, rest, and recovery that help them grow stronger. Without proper nutrition, you'll feel low energy, recover poorly, and see slow results. Let's keep it simple. Your gym diet needs three things. 1. Protein for muscle repair. 2. Carbohydrates for workout fuel. 3. Fats for hormones and long-term energy. An ideal gym plate has 40 to 50% carbs, 25 to 30% protein, and 20 to 30% fat. 25% healthy fats. Here's the golden question. How much protein do you actually need? For normal people, about 0.8 grams per kilo of body weight. For gym goers and athletes, aim for 1.2 to 2 grams per kilo. So if you weigh 70 kilos, that's around 85 to 120 grams of protein every single day. Eggs, chicken, fish, paneer, tofu, lentils, beans, milk, yogurt, nuts. These are excellent protein sources. And here's a pro tip. Don't eat all your protein in one go. Spread it across meals for better absorption. So, where does protein powder come in? It's not magic. It's just a supplement. Protein powder is perfect if you can't meet your protein goals from food, or if you're super busy and need something quick after a workout. There are different types: whey, casein, soy, pea protein. Whey is the most popular because it's absorbed fast. Let's bust some myths. Myth 1. Protein powder damages kidneys. Not true, unless you already have kidney disease. Myth 2. More protein equals more muscle. Wrong. Extra protein just gets stored or flushed out. Myth 3. Everyone can get enough from natural food. Maybe, but for athletes, supplements make life easier. You've heard of the anabolic window, the 30 to 60 minutes after a workout when your muscles are hungry. That's a great time for protein plus carbs. A whey shake with a banana is a simple example. But remember, total daily protein matters more than timing. Don't just think about protein. Micronutrients like iron, calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium are crucial for strength, energy, and recovery. And of course, water. Staying hydrated keeps your muscles working smoothly and prevents cramps. Here's a simple gym diet plan. Pre-workout: banana with coffee, oatmeal, or a smoothie. Post-workout: protein shake plus fruit, or a lean protein sandwich like chicken, tuna, or tofu. Main meals: balanced plate with carbs, rice, pasta, quinoa, or bread. Protein: chicken, fish, beans, or tofu, and vegetables or salad. Snacks: nuts, boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, hummus with veggies, or fruits. Protein powders are not magic. They're just a convenient way to help you reach your goals. Focus first on a balanced diet, then add supplements only if you need them. Train smart, eat smart, and your muscles will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more doctor-backed fitness tips